In the ever-evolving world of flagship smartphones, where power and performance are often prioritized over personality and elegance, Huawei dares to be different. With the introduction of the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra, the brand has not only redefined premium design, but also introduced a smartphone that's equal parts technological masterpiece, an artistic statement. At first glance, the Pura 80 Ultra captivates with its luxurious vegan leather finish, complete with gold-stamped accents and a perfectly symmetrical unibody design. It's a device that doesn't just look premium, it feels like it belongs in a gallery. Every curve, every texture, and every element of the body is crafted to reflect Huawei's philosophy of elegance and modern minimalism. This phone isn't just carried, it's worn, like a piece of haute couture for the digital age. But this design is only the beginning. Beneath its artistic exterior lies the beating heart of Huawei innovation, the Kirin chipset. Developed with cutting-edge architecture and tailored AI optimization, the Kirin 9010 is more than capable. It ensures seamless multitasking, intelligent power distribution, and effortless transitions between apps, photos, and high-performance games, all while staying energy efficient. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or navigating complex workflows, the Pura 80 Ultra keeps pace with your every move. The viewing experience is nothing short of spectacular. The phone boasts a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display that supports a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and a crisp 1.5K resolution. From edge to edge, the display offers ultra-thin bezels, delivering an almost borderless canvas. Whether you're watching HDR content, scrolling through social feeds, or editing images, the colors are vibrant, the motion is fluid, and the visual clarity is breathtaking. It's a display built not just for viewing, but for immersing. Where the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra truly breaks boundaries is in its camera system, a photography revolution disguised as a smartphone. Introducing Huawei XMAGE, their most advanced imaging system to date. Leading the charge is a 50MP 1-inch sensor with variable aperture, which intelligently adjusts from f/1.4 to f/4.0 depending on the scene. The result? Stunning depth of field, balanced light capture, and professional-grade bokeh in every shot. But that's just the beginning. The Pura 80 Ultra also features a cutting-edge periscope ultra-telephoto lens, allowing users to zoom in with precision clarity, even at extreme distances. Whether you're shooting wildlife, architecture, or far-off cityscapes, the details remain crisp and natural. And thanks to sensor-shift optical image stabilization, even shaky hands or low-light conditions won't ruin your shot. Portraits, night shots, ultra-wide vistas, the XMAGE system handles it all with a cinematic touch. The AI scene detection and real-time post-processing ensure every photo reflects your intent, not just what the lens sees. For creators and storytellers, this phone is a portable DSLR, minus the bulk. Battery life is equally impressive. With a robust 5,200 mAh battery, the Pura 80 Ultra is built to last through demanding days. And when it's time to recharge, you'll be amazed by its 100W wired supercharge and 80W wireless fast charging, some of the fastest in the industry. This means less time plugged in, and more time exploring, creating, and staying connected. The device runs on Harmony OS 4.2, Huawei's custom-built operating system. It's fast, fluid, and incredibly intuitive, free from bloatware, and packed with features that emphasize privacy, productivity, and intelligent user experience. From seamless device interconnectivity to AI-driven customization, Harmony OS ensures that every tap, swipe, and gesture feels natural and responsive. Other features like dual stereo speakers, AI-powered personalization, multi-screen collaboration, and gesture navigation further add to the experience. It's a device made not just for power users, but for those who appreciate beauty, intelligence, and uniqueness in their tech. To put it simply, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is not just another flagship smartphone. It's a symbol of craftsmanship, a celebration of innovation, and a testament to what's possible when technology meets artistry. Whether you're an enthusiast, a photographer, or someone who simply wants the best of design and performance in one elegant device, the Pura 80 Ultra stands in a league of its own. So, if you're ready to experience a smartphone that inspires with every glance and performs with every tap, it's time to embrace the extraordinary. This is more than smart. This is Pura. This is Huawei. If you found this deep dive helpful, be sure to like the video, comment your thoughts on Huawei's bold new direction, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more upcoming device reviews and mobile tech explorations.